I posted a video yesterday about the hail that we had, but I wanted to also show you the damage that hail does. We were fortunate it didn't destroy everything, but we definitely had some damage. I'll show you what it did. This is the front garden and the hail left behind. You can see the onions. It just broke the ends. There's my figs. Put holes through the leaves there. Beat it up a little bit. This is my sage that's in the food forest. Yeah, it got beat up, and the chaya. It's not looking as good as it did yesterday. This is my mulberry tree, and as you can see in the leaves, it kind of took some shots at that as well. The good thing is the mulberry tree and a couple of the other trees in the food forest are pretty well established, so they'll recover from this, even though the leaves look really bad. This is one of my papaya trees. It took a real beating, but it will recover. Even my longevity spinach took a beating. It's got little projectile holes. We had a vicious storm that hit hard and intense, and so we had a lot of wind with it, and so I think the tomatoes got damaged from that. Yeah, there's the start of my pumpkin, and it, really did a number on my pumpkin. And my nasturtium didn't like it either. So, well, so between the wind and the hail, you can see the banana leaves got shredded. They're no longer one solid, beautiful piece. And these are the sweet potatoes. You can see some damage, but it really was minor compared to some of the other plants. The Royal Poinciana tree lost a lot of its flowers, and the pods were all over the ground, but it'll recover. It's a strong tree. You can see the dents on the pineapple leaves. Fortunately, they are strong, so it didn't go through them, but it did beat them up a little bit. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you, and have a great day.